Hello, today we will guide you through how to organize notebooks in NotebookLM. To get started, open NotebookLM in your web browser. This is where you can create and manage separate notebooks to keep your information organized and easy to access. If you work on multiple topics at once, having a clear notebook structure can save time and make everything feel much more manageable. Once you're in NotebookLM, click on Create New. This is the starting point for building an organized workspace. A good approach is to create individual notebooks for different types of work. For example, you might separate notebooks by project, by subject, or by client. The goal here is to avoid putting everything into one place, which can quickly become difficult to navigate. When each notebook has a distinct purpose, it becomes much easier to focus on the right materials and return to them later without confusion. After creating a notebook, go to the notebook interface and click on its name to change it. Renaming your notebook right away is an important habit because clear titles help you recognize what each notebook contains at a glance. Try to use names that are specific and descriptive rather than vague. This makes searching and browsing much faster, especially as the number of notebooks grows over time. A well-named notebook helps you stay consistent and reduces the chance of opening the wrong one when you need something quickly. As you continue using NotebookLM, it's also important to review your workspace from time to time. If you have notebooks that you no longer use, archive or delete them. Archiving is useful when you want to keep older work without letting it clutter your active workspace. Deleting is better for notebooks you truly no longer need. Taking a moment to clean things up helps keep your notebook list tidy and makes your most relevant work easier to find. It also supports a better workflow because you're only seeing the notebooks that matter right now. With these simple habits, creating separate notebooks, giving them clear names, and archiving or deleting old ones, you can keep NotebookLM organized and much easier to use. A little structure at the beginning goes a long way and helps you stay productive as your work grows. Thanks for following along, and that's how to organize notebooks in NotebookLM.